So good day guys. In the last episode, which is the second episode or second lesson on CSS animation, we discussed that animation and keyframes are linked by some animation properties, which are the animation name and the keyframe name. So today we'll discuss about the animation name and duration. So just before that, I'd like to tell you about the major uses of CSS animation. So you're learning CSS animation now. You like to know what they are used for or what they are meant for in our website. So first of all, basically CSS animations are used to make preloaders, that is web page loaders. And what is a preloader? A preloader are what we see on the website just before the main content loads. Sometimes they are called the loading screen. For what you are seeing on the screen now, I made that using the CSS animation, which I'm going to teach you earlier in the lessons. You can see other preloaders there, example of preloaders there. So those are preloaders. So we have other use of animation, like the second and the third and the fourth. They are all use of animation. So back to the lesson. Now animation name is like a name, like a tag name in which the animation tag, in which the keyframe uses to identify the animation and apply the particular CSS rule to it. So once this keyframe gets the animation name, it applies the CSS rule to it, and the animation is carried out in a particular duration, which is set in the animation duration. So let's do a simple project with what we've learned now. So what we're doing is we'll be changing this red ball, which is the div, the red ball, which is this div, which I've created here. We'll change this red ball to green. So here now, guys, let's add the div. We'll design the div. That is, the div does the box. So this is the property. So let's set the width and the height. So I'm going to get a width of 200 pixels and a height of 200 pixels also. Then we'll set the margin we centralize it. So that is 0 pixel auto. That is 0 pixels auto. Then we'll set the background color to red. So this is a red ball. So we have a red ball here now. We have a red ball here. So we add our animation now. Our animation name. Animation name is going to be color change. We call it color change. That is, the tag name is going to be color change. Then animation duration is how long the animation is going to run. So let's give it a duration of 3 seconds. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. So we'll create our keyframe now. That is at keyframes. So work with percentage here. That is at 0%. At 0%. Okay, our keyframe. Then we'll add the keyframe tag name. Sorry about that. The keyframe tag name is going to be color change. Color change. So that is tallies. So these two tallies with each other. The animation name and the color change tallies with each other. So at 0%, the background color remains the same. And at 100%, background color becomes green, and the border radius becomes 50%, and that is the circle. So when we open this on our web page, you can see that. So the green ball changes to the red ball. So when I reload it will take. You can see that. So that is CSS animation. That is animation name and duration to make this happen. So click on my next lesson and watch out for my next lesson, and subscribe to my channel to get notified when I drop new videos. Thank you for watching.